Yeah, we're having technical difficulties.
Today, me and Fingers be commentating over last night's demolition job. Fingers, what was your thoughts on last night's game, son?
Absolute search and destroy from the boys. 9v1. I think they all lagged out. So, onto the highlights. Three,
Onto
two,
the highlights.
one.
We start the game off really
go.
strong, and Blakey did what Blakey's done all season. Little Ozil bounce there, pressing from the front.
Nice, mate.
That's quite nice of Blakey. He's been working out all season.
In front of the missus.
In front of the missus, in front of the home crowd
both
as well.
of them.
Nice. Stoney waiting to receive the ball, receives the ball, and 1v1. You know what Stoney's going to do. Oh, I told him before the game, put it in the bottom right corner, I'll get you a gift card. He's absolutely set a defender for a .5 there, and he's buzzing with himself. Look. Stoney's back here with a bit of magic. What's he going to do? Oh, sent him for a gift card.
Hey! So I got a bit excited there.
Oh, Darvo says, I'll take that. And look at him, Blake cutting through the ball like Jake Vaughan, cutting through the walk-back queue. Just like that. So what's your thoughts on that goal?
Oh,
starts with Darvo there, don't it?
cream. Absolute cream and cheese from the boys. Cream and cheese.
Cream and geese. Honestly, that's all it takes. Cutting through again, like I said. What a goal, Blakey. What a goal. Front of the misses again. First time we've seen Weller in these highlights. And shoddy touch from Stones. Darvo touched it down.
Tough man. Oh no, it's Darvo 7.
That's Darvo 7.
Hang on, he ain't gonna eat.
Lovely feet. He got a pedicure before the game time.
Has he?
Yeah, lovely feet. Nah, it's just techie footwork. Look, all about that touch there.
Slow-mo again.
Hot dog if you're going, fella.
Great. Who's on the fucking camera?
I don't know, but it's certainly a funny bloke, ain't he? Keeper doing star jumps. We've now got a Weller highlight. We've got his fan favourite Sam here from Sea Eagle Total Parts. Sam, what's your thoughts on Weller's performance here?
I fucking love Weller.
Oh, not here you won't.
No.
Not there you won't. Let's move on from that.
Not well. Yeah,
And
so
next
this
week-
press all started from me.
Britain.
They're doing 6s and 7s here. Oh no, what's he done? Oh my God, it's in his own net.
He's been watching.
It's in his own net. That's the Britain press.
He's been watching Lewis Sillett too much, I reckon. Awful back
Is that
there.
Yogi in goal?
Blake again. In that tight little space he likes. Oh, and honestly, look at him. Find small spaces, punch blokes' faces. This bloke is a serious bowler. And it's Darvo 7 here, touch, back. Oh, he took it back to FIFA 09 on that drag back. It's like a hill-to-hill drag back. That was. What was it that time? Foot on the ball, backwards.
Nah, he's just wiggling the stick.
Oh, he's serious right stick analog.
He don't know what he's doing.
Blakey again. If he nutmegs one more person, I swear to God, I'm going to John Jones someone. He's pissing me off now. And who we got here? Blakey. Tavorni. Oh, off his shin. Stoney. Gift card. More like gift gaff. Gift gaff.
Duds.
Fingers. Oh,
There we go. Oh, I've missed it.
Were you nervous, Toby?
Oh, he ain't missed it. He slotted it in.
Were you nervous?
Nah. Nervous still.
No,
Not nervous, mate.
Little handshake as well. That's quite nice.
Yeah, it's quite cold.
And here we
Quite
go.
cold. It might be my coldest moment.
Lewis Hamilton's buzzing.
Here we go.
No, he ain't,
Jesus.
'cause I've just nutmegged him. They called him
Here you
Jesus,
go.
didn't they?
Yeah, they do.
5 nutmegs, by the way. Top right. You bet your arse it is. Ben's arse. Lovely looking arse.
There you
Ben.
are. Jesus, he's lost, mate. He's in Bethlehem.
Honestly,
He's in Bethlehem still.
he's on a wide.
We seriously hung him up on the cross this game, haven't we?
Yeah, we have. He's awful. And then we got here.
Who's
Blakey
this? Is
again
that
with a
me?
nutmeg. No, of course it ain't you. Nutmeg a squid, mate.
Oh, here we go.
Blakey.
Oh, no. this
Tights,
ain't
by the
that.
way. Peter Pan, some call it. And honestly,
Hang on a minute.
Speaking of Peter Pan, that
Peter
centre back
Pan?
will never land.
That's Tinkerbell.
A team, because he's shit. And Blake has nutmegged him yet again.
Keeper don't know what he's doing.
Nutmeg. Blake can nutmeg a
I
mermaid in
actually
the
shout
phone
at the
box.
keeper today because
Nutmeg the keeper as well.
saved everyone's shot. No, all my shots.
And here we go. Luke playing it out wide. Oh, I remember what happened here. Stoney, skill school, fingers
Fingers
to Blake.
directing
This
traffic.
would be a great goal.
Traffic warden.
Should
Here
he
we go.
miss? Nah, he's missed. How'd you miss
Off
that?
balance and bobbled. So
Didn't bubble, mate. What were you
he's in
thinking in this
disbelief
country?
there. Look,
in this
he's in
country, what were you
disbelief.
thinking, mate?
what was I thinking?
Yeah.
Well, the stars aligned and then hello, where the birds at?
Oh yeah, someone's the end of the game there, type. 9-1.
I thought I was off stream.
9-1. 9-1. No cuts in this, is it?
No
But
cuts.
9-1 against
This
Chewy
is
Suarez. When will they learn not to play
organic.
us? We've scored 27 goals in 3 games against them.
Yeah. They're not being funny. Power League needs to get a better league because this is just.
There's nothing powerful about it, really, is
there's
there?
nothing powerful
Luke Allen's
about
man of the match, 8 1-on-1s, tackled every
And
time.
if we're talking Sam Winnie, there's nothing powerful about his shots really either. Has he got us?
Stop sneak this and Sam Winnie. Luckily, we've got Harry Redknapp here as a special guest performance. Harry, what was your thoughts on that performance on Muffin Men?
Well, you know, fantastic, you know, Bobby's a more when they go Cratcher, you know, fantastic, you know, Cratcher, you know, terrific little player, you know, fantastic.
Thanks, Harry, mate. We'll be at the next game. Oh, we got Jamie Carragher here as well.
Yeah, but look at the last season. They were there. And now they're there. So, you've got to do that.
On that note, we'll see you guys on Monday against Argentina. See you there.
Ta-da.
Do you know Muffin Man?